Hi, I'm Dieter Legert, Managing Partner of Delta Institute Switzerland. I'd like to give a brief overview of the features of the Delta T-Cockpit in Module 2. In Module 1, the Delta T-Cockpit displays in one single screen the key elements of operational leadership. It shows progress to the operational goal. It presents the operational plan. And for each of the phases of the plan lead check cycle, it shows the status of the key elements. This way, in one single display, it shows the status of the plan lead check cycle and how it drives with the operational plan towards the goal. In Module 2, these features are expanded significantly. First of all, in Module 2, the cockpit supports operational leadership of an unlimited number of both hierarchy and matrix units. Number 2, it supports cross-unit operational teamwork in all operational plans. And 3, across all operational plans, it supports the 5 principles of operational masters. Let's look at an example. Boxomatic Corporation has a sales organization with 2 region sales teams in Europe and in Americas. And in Europe, it has a country sales team both in Germany and France. How would this now be represented in the Delta T-Cockpit? Well, the way it appears is that each of these units can have its own cockpit with a goal chart, the operational plan, and the plan lead check cycle. The units are linked by their goals. The totals of Germany and France goals is the goal of Europe, and the total of Europe and Americas is the goal of the corporation. However, the individual operational plans may vary widely. Certainly they will, because the obstacles to be successful in Germany are certainly going to be different from the obstacles to be successful in Americas. Now, within the sales organizations, there may be a focus on products. Germany will sell skis and snowboards, the 2 main product lines of Boxomatic Corporation, and so will France and the Americas. And for each of these product units, again, we may have operational goals and operational plans. Summarizing this in a matrix view, we can see that in this situation where we have the corporation, Europe, Germany, France, and Americas as hierarchy organizations, and skis and snowboards as products, we may have up to 15 operational plans with the related goals, and the goals are linked and the plans are independent. The Delta T-Cockpit summarizes an overview of all these plans in this one-page template, where it shows per plan the status of the plan, lead, and check phase. To support the teamwork of the operational team, for each individual team member, the cockpit shows the individual obligations and how the progress is being done. As an individual team player, I will participate in planning sessions and confirm in my obligations in the cockpit. I will participate in quick reviews and work on delivering my obligations in the lead phase, and I will document and confirm delivery of my obligations in the cockpit. In the check phase, I will participate in deep reviews and I will report delivery of the obligations I receive from deep reviews in the cockpit. Each individual user sees his or her individual obligations across the plans where they are active and where they are contributing. In its basic structure, the DELTA T-Cockpit supports the 5 principles of operational masters, and it does so also for the multitude of units that it handles in Module 2. Principle 1, never delegate operational leadership. Like in Module 1, the DELTA T-Cockpit displays each operational plan in a simple, clear one-page display. In addition, it gives a simple, clear one-page overview of all plans. Principle number 2, focus on the goal like a bulldog on its bone. The DELTA T-Cockpit for each operational plan shows the goal chart in prime cockpit position. Principle number 3, ensure effectiveness of operational plans. All operational plans are available for review on a click. Principle number 4, induce rock-solid reliability for the users and for the operational leaders. There's a simple, clear display of delivery status of obligations. And this is for all or individual plans. Principle number 5, lead the key event schedule. The key event schedule in Module 2 is presented across all plans to ensure that it stays executable and to ensure that it gets executed like a Swiss clock, ticking the events of the operational leadership. To sum it up, in Module 2, the DELTA T-Cockpit supports operational leadership of an unlimited number of both hierarchy and matrix units. It supports cross-unit operational teamwork in all operational plans, and it supports the 5 principles of operational masters across all plans. Thank you for your interest in the DELTA T-Cockpit.